I'm Anil Kumar and we are trying to understand reciprocal functions. This is just the first chapter in rational functions 5.1. Now we have a graph of a function. This is a very typical graph. Normally a rational function will have discontinuity, but this one doesn't have a discontinuity. So we are given graph of a function. You need to match this graph with the choices of equations given to you. Which one is the right choice? Now whenever you see denominator as sum of square something, right, then the denominator can never be 0, and that's the reason why we do not have any vertical asymptote here. Now all seem to be very close to the function given to us. How do we find which one is the right option? I think the best point is to substitute x equals to 0. At 0 the value is 4, correct? That is the maximum for the function. If I write 0 here, I get 1 over 0.5, which is 2. Here if I write 0, I get 1 over 0.25. 0.25 is 1 over 4, correct? So that gives us 4. So this is the right option. If I write 0 here, I get 1 over 4, which is definitely not the answer. If I write 0 here, I get 1 over 4 square, which is very small. So option B is the right option. Thank you.